Hi, welcome back to the channel. Miles here for PJM Collectibles, and today we're going to unbox and take a closer look at this McLaren P1 from PosterCars.
PJM Collectibles. Little cars, big passion.
Okay, for this video, this is a McLaren P1 1/64 scale model from PosterCars. And for all you guys who wonder what PosterCars are, well, these are official licensed products, as it says here in the box, of various models from Aston Martin, Bugatti, Lambo, and the rest. And these cars are made by Kintoys. Okay, Kintoys is also the same brand as Kinsmart. Okay, I said here, PosterCars logo is a registered trademark of Kintoy die casting manufacturing, made in China. Okay, so they released 12 cars of this from PosterCars, from Hypercars. Okay, and this is number 4. I got this a couple of weeks ago, Christmas time, from a local toy store in a mall here in the Philippines. Actually, I got 2. I got this McLaren and this Lamborghini Sian. Okay, unbox this soon, but for now, this is the turn of the McLaren to be unboxed. Okay, I got this for 349 pesos. Okay, don't know the conversion rate to dollars, but there's always Google for that. Okay, so let's unwrap this one. Okay, I'd like to invite you, while I do this, invite you to my Facebook and Instagram for more die-cast pics and reels. Okay, this box comes, the model comes in a acrylic case. Okay, windowed box sleeve with heat shrink plastic packaging. Okay, very nice for the price, a good catch. Okay, so there you have it. Okay, as I said, windowed box sleeve is what I like. Box sleeve doesn't come anything. It says, oops, there's the card. Okay, Hypercar League collection, McLaren P1, Lantana Purple. Okay, this number 4 from the PosterCars series. Okay, so there you have it. Acrylic cover, plastic base with a lone screw. Okay, so we're going to open this one up. Okay, plastic base. It says the PosterCars logo, McLaren P1, Lantana Purple. On the back, there it says, okay, Hypercar League collection. This is number 404. Okay, it's not numbered, nonetheless this one is good. Okay, simple base. Okay, I'm going to remove this one. Okay, now there you have it. Ooh, very nice. Okay, as compared to other die-cast models, okay, this one is kind of light. Okay, you know the metal used, but it has a full die-cast body with some plastic inserts or trims. Okay, okay, start it off with the wheels. Okay, tires are rubber threaded ones. Okay, all 4 of them. Wheels are plastic, but has some good designs. Okay, good metal, good design. Okay, nice one. And if you could look closer, there are, I know it's clear, some disc brakes and some golden caliper. Okay, golden calipers. Okay, rolls smoothly. Okay, very good. Okay, let's take a closer look at the body on the side. Okay, this is the McLaren P1. Okay, very good, as I said, die-cast metal body with some plastic inserts. Okay, good details, good panel lines. Okay, from the plastic going to the metal. Yes, good panel lines. Okay, kind of shallow, but it's nice. Okay, side mirrors, it's metal. Okay, but sadly doesn't come with any reflective paint or stickers on them, but part of the mold. Kinda okay, it's not fragile. Okay, very good. Okay, windows are clear, plastic ones with some black trimmings. Okay, I think that those are painted. Okay, painted from the inside. Okay, moving on the front. Okay, very good details on the front. On the sides, let me also add, there's some plastic side skirts. Okay, going to the front chin, made out of plastic. Okay, going towards the front fascia, made out of plastic. Headlights are plastic inserts with some details on it, and also on the inside. Okay, front hood, very good design. Okay, the McLaren logo up front, and also I don't know if it's can clearly see it. Okay, on the vents there are some, I think those are fans. Okay, I know it's clear. Okay, there are details of the fans inside, very nice. Okay, details on the hood, nice. Front windshield clear, and just like on the sides, they have black details on it, black trimmings, maybe probably painted from the inside. Okay, front wipers also. Okay, going to the roof. Okay, very good details on that one. Going towards the back, as you can see, engine. Okay, there's the P1 logo on the engine. I don't know what engine is inside. Okay, haven't researched on this one yet. Nonetheless, this is good. And details on the rear window, black and silver paint on the clear plastic. Windshield going to the roof, to the back windows. Okay, and more details on the back. As you can see, very good details on the roof towards the spoiler. Okay, I guess this is the spoiler, okay, of the McLaren. Okay, going towards the rear, taillights are painted, no clear plastic parts there, and there's this design. I think this like simulate honeycomb design. The rear muffler, I think that's the rear muffler. Detail in silver. McLaren P1 license plate, and some rear Okay, these are rear diffusers, very well detailed. Okay, as I've mentioned earlier, this model has clear windows, so could very well clearly see what's inside. Okay, the interiors are very good details. Okay, the dashboard has details on them. Seats are painted gray. Steering wheel is gray also. Okay, very good. On the bottom, not much details. It only says the PosterCars, the McLaren P1, scale 1/64. No exhaust system on the rear. Okay, that's it. Nonetheless, this is a very good model. Okay, there you have it, the McLaren P1 by PosterCars in 1/64 scale. Hope you guys like this video. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to leave this on the turntable for everyone to see, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.